Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. First, I'm going to be starting this makeup look with some primer. I'm going to apply that all over my face. And then when I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and conceal my face using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium. Next, take a beauty blender or a sponge and start blending out that concealer. All good. Now we're going to move on to the next step, which is our foundation. I'm applying Fenty Beauty's foundation in the shade 310. I'm a bit on the yellow side, but also very tan, so this is the perfect shade for me. Now the next step is to do my brows, of course. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. For the eyes, I'm using Morphe's 9B Bronze Babe palette. And the first shade that I'm using are a mixture of Beach Please and Hang 10. For this look, I'm going a bit softer on the liner, and I'm using the shade Road Trip from the same palette. I'm going to be adding some shimmer. So using the shade Vacay from the same palette, I'm first adding that to the mid-center of my lids. And then I'm going to work from the inner corners and then spreading that out to the middle. And for that extra highlight, I'm just adding the shade Sunnies from the same palette, adding that glow. To highlight, I'm grabbing my Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in the shade Medium. For contour, of course, I'm using my NYX Wonder Sticks in the shade Deep. I'm going to apply that to my cheekbones, my chin, and my forehead. Hello! So I would like to introduce to you this contour blush palette by Too Cool for School. It is the best that I ever had, and it works very well for my yellow skin tone. If you have not tried this yet, I suggest picking it up, especially when it is on sale on YesStyle. Now for the next step, I'm going to bake using Laura Mercier's translucent powder. While I'm waiting for that powder to set, I'm going to use Physicians Formula eyeliner in Deepest Black to create these beauty marks. And then I'm going to apply some lashes These lashes are by Coco Lashes in Venus. Don't forget to brush off that setting powder. Just like that. And don't forget a smile. Now I'm adding some blush. I'm using the one specifically from Juvia's Place. And now I'm going to apply some lip liner. This is Natural by NYX. For my lips, I'm going to be applying Queen Bee by Too Faced Cosmetics. I believe it's from their Melted Matte line. You know I am obsessed with putting glitter on my lower lash line. I'm using the Diamond Crusher lipstick. I think it's the lip gloss, glitter gloss. And this is the Diamond Crusher in Cleopatra. And this is the final look. You've reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe. And if you'd like some more of my content, you can go ahead and check me out on my Instagram in the link below.